We have a pretty big yard, so using a short hose just isn't realistic. But every long hose I've tried ends up being super heavy or constantly kinking, and it gets annoying fast. This is a 100-foot non expanding garden hose, and it honestly just has been so much easier to deal with. It's really lightweight, which makes a huge difference when I'm dragging it across the yard, and it doesn't feel like I'm fighting it the whole time. Plus, it's super flexible, so it just kind of moves with me instead of getting stiff or twisted up, and I'm not having to stop and fix kinks every couple of minutes, which has been my biggest issue before. It lays flat, keeps the water pressure consistent, and just works the way I expect it to. And I actually like that it doesn't expand or shrink. It's just a solid 100 feet every time. It's just one of those things that's not real flashy, but it makes everyday stuff way less frustrating.